This is design of controllers for drives. This design making of motors categories or motor characteristics, okay, for controlling or driving purpose, drives purpose, okay. This third unit contains introduction, dynamic model of a DC motor, block diagram of a DC motor, transfer function of a DC motor, closed loop speed control, controller design, torque loop, speed loop, position loop. Okay, these all are topics having in this unit. Next, we had seen introduction of the design procedure of DC motor. Already we well known about DC motor having three categories or three different equations. That equations represent here. Remember that equation for designing purpose. Okay. Design making each and every topic to give a summarized or solution to as the easiest way. Okay, the DC motor having armature circuit, then output of armature circuit or output of DC motor having one mechanical load. That mechanical load equation represents TE, motor back EMF is here. These topics are we had seen earlier classes. Now we are waiting to see closed loop speed control of the above. We mentioned the DC motor. Okay, in that DC motor equivalent circuit design, we had been seen cascade control structure. The cascade control structure having some of connected equipment according the rule of DC motor that according the representation of DC motor coupled with concerned mechanical load. Okay, so we had picked from some of the technical elements, some of the actuator from that mechanical and load coupling. Okay, that list are position controller, speed controller, torque controller, converter. Then those three classification or those three various kind of working connected across the DC motor. DC motor can give a proper output. That proper output sensed by tacho generator and give a feedback to the input for controlling or correction purpose. This is cascade control structure. This topic also done the earlier classes. Okay, next controller procedure. Controller design having some procedure. That procedure always depends these block diagram what they say according the representation of design. Okay, it consists and it can give a explanation about design the torque loop. The torque loop always fastest. Okay, because the torque correlate with the speed of DC motor where we connected across the design. So the torque versus or inversely proportional to the speed of DC motor. Those two categories depends according their representation of DC motor where we had been connected across what kind of load connected them. Okay, design the speed loop assuming the torque loop to be ideal. This line represent what the line saying to us means the speed always correctly to exhibit their actuator by receive the position controller and the selection of speed controller and a given torque controller. Okay, these designs are manufacturer and making inbuilt of the DC motor. Okay, next we have seen controller design. Okay, these three topics are given more explanation the earlier classes, so no need to again. Now we are going to learn about torque loop. Okay, this torque loop consisting of PI controller. What is meant by PI controller? P is proportional, I is integral. Okay, so those two letter or those two operation given the control system previous semester or previous year you all were seen. Okay, those two words are important by solving this design. Okay, first I will give armature current for reference. This armature current can carry or can throw by the way of this motor constant, same like the load constant. Okay, this systematical constant can adopted this armature current by the way of summing point. This is design method. Okay, this system or this controller block which is given to this motor torque constant, either motor torque constant or load torque constant. Okay, okay, this is one kind of constant method or constant block diagram or constant system. This system can connected or can cascaded with load constant. Both constant connected across the variations between the load torque and the motor torque. Already I said the motor has a one torque constant, load has a one torque constant. Motor torque constant mentioned in the name of T suffix E, load torque can have to T suffix L. Those two motor and load constant having to exhibit their representation level what they are stand alone across them. Okay. This output which is given in the proper manner, what we will get in the explanation side of motor running condition. Okay, finally we got. So having doubt? Somebody will mic on. Having doubt? Okay, no problem. Okay, let I solve this block diagram reduction. This format be like a block diagram. Okay, now we are going to solve this block diagram according the block diagram rules. Okay, we have 11 rules of block diagram reduction. So that just recall that rules. Okay, these three blocks are in cascaded. Cascaded in the sense series connection. We may multiply those three blocks according the first rule of block diagram reduction. Okay.